Hello, dear audience. Good day. This is Sher Afzal from the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club Private Limited. From time to time, Global CEO Club is visiting, is organizing multiple expos as partners worldwide. Today, we are here at Color and Chem Expo, Lahore Expo Center, to explore new avenues for the business community. The ultimate objective of Global CEO Club is to organize new markets for the global business community. Again, I invite you people to become part of Global CEO Club so that you can be flourished across the globe. Thank you so much. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited, a registered entity in Pakistan. As you know, Global CEO Club is available in every part of the world. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. Chemical Expo is being organized here. From Bin Rashid Group, Mr. Sohail Akram, Director, Marketing and Sales. Rang Tone is with us. I request Mr. Sohail, please share your journey, your brand to the audience of Global CEO Club.
Sir, thank you. I first thankful to the CEO Club for inviting me for this discussion. Actually, and introducing me, my company, my brand. Basically, we are in textile chemical business, and the pigment we are manufacturing the pigment emulsions. The pigment emulsions are basically are the color. This is the product which is giving colors to the textile substrates, means the fabrics, the garments, the bed sheets, the home textile products. It is giving color to every product. So basically Rangtone is a brand name for the range of the pigment emulsions. Pigment emulsions are the basic products which are applying on the surface of bed sheets and the every garments. So this is the bunyadi, this is the very basic thing which is giving the color to whole the textile galaxy. So we are manufacturing these pigment emulsions from last 3 to 4 years, and then in the past we were importing that raw materials of these pigment emulsions from China, but now we are manufacturing here the whole this chemistry. So we are very proud that in Pakistan we are manufacturing now. We are in a series of manufacturing the colors here. We are not depending on the China, India, or the Turkish or the European products. We are manufacturing here in Pakistan. We are just importing raw material and manufacturing all these colors here. So we feel that we are feeling the chemistry of these products. So I would say that this is a very good opportunity. This type of exhibitions for beginners like who are the beginning in the beginning of the manufacturing series, and even the international exhibitors, they are enjoying this event because they are marketing their products. So these type of exhibitions, they are really, I think, very necessary for the exploring the world of in any trade. Like textile chemicals, textile dyes. So these exhibitions play a vital role. So these are very necessary. These should be frequently, and government should also somehow emphasize on promoting these type of exhibitions. Like they should facilitate more and more. They should focus more and more on these type of exhibitions, so that investors are coming in. Like this, you may be seeing that mostly Chinese people, they are planting their units in our country. So we should gain their trust level. Once we gain their trust level, then they will invest more and more, and the sources of income for the people of Pakistan will increase in this way. So I thank you very much.
Mr. Sohail, as I shared with you, Global CEO Club main role is to create opportunities, is to create alliances, is to create partnerships, is to create JVs for the business people
Okay.
across the globe.
Okay.
Once again, I invite you as well as other business community, not only from Pakistan but from the world.
Okay.
Join hands with Global CEO Club. If
Sure,
you
sure.
if you are willing to access the whole world,
Okay.
and as
We
I
want to
mentioned,
link with the whole
yeah,
world.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Global CEO Club is also part of many exhibitors, many exhibition organizers.
Okay.
As I told you that one of the expo is going to be organized in France.
Okay.
Next one is in Poland. As
Poland.
you are associated with textile chemicals,
Yes.
Poland Expo is related with textile. Okay,
Okay.
and I invite you to be part of it also, being exhibitor, so that you can be explored, you can be flourished across the world. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club and reach the world. So thank you so much,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Sohail. Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
time.
Thank you, sir.